welcome back to my channel. It's Angelin here and I'm so happy you're joining me. I'm very excited. I'm headed on vacation in about 4 days, and in today's video I'm going to show you all the things I do leading up to vacation to keep myself looking great while away. And just because I have 2 kids and it's a family vacation doesn't mean I don't want to look great and I don't want to feel great. We all do it. We go get our nails done before going on vacation. We get our hair done, but I'm always short on time. I am a working mom. I have 2 kids. I just can't be going out to the salon getting my hair done, getting waxing done. So I am going to be doing most of this at home, and I've been doing this stuff at home for many, many years. Now, something I've been doing already leading up to my vacation is using Crest white strips on my teeth. Depending on which package you buy, and I always recommend you buy them on sale. I bought mine on sale at Shoppers Drug Mart, but they're always on sale at Amazon as well. The kit I bought was 28 levels whiter and it's 21 treatments, but I just started doing this last week. So I've only been using it for a couple days, but I've already seen a huge difference, and I feel like it's just gonna help me feel more confident when I'm away. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy you're joining me. I like posting all types of content: wellness, fitness, self-care, try-on hauls, and also just how I fit it all in as a working mom with 2 kids. And if you've seen some of my other videos, welcome back. I am gonna take my Crest white strips hack video. Oh my goodness, come on. Just rip it open. I'm gonna tag my Crest white strips hack video here. If you have sensitive teeth, be sure to check out that video because I tried all of the hacks on the internet to see how I could use an entire box of Crest white strips and whiten my teeth, which I did. And the greatest hack that I learned is actually cutting the strips so that they don't wrap around your teeth, because people say that it's that wrapping that causes the sensitivity. So kind of just cut them in half-ish and then put them on, leave them on for an hour. And I am gonna do this later today. I don't wanna do it while I'm filming because although you can go about your day while wearing Crest white strips, I don't want to have a little bit of a lisp while I'm talking. Teeth whitening. Teeth whitening is key. If you have the time to go out to an appointment and pay the money and get it done, that's great. But for me, it's just really easy for me to apply for an hour. And it also helps me not snack in between my meals when I'm wearing the strips. And I think I purchased this box for about $50, so I'm good to go. All right, next up we have facial hair. Now my brows are pretty well shaped already, but there are some stray hairs. So I'm gonna go and clean up my brows a little bit. I like the shape of them, I like them full, but you can see there's all these kind of little stray hairs here that I need to get rid of. If you do go to an esthetician to get your brows done, to get your hair done, something I wouldn't recommend you doing a few days before vacation is trying something new or going to someone new. Imagine if I went and asked to have my brows done and she decided to give me like the skinny 90s brow, which I know is coming back. I would not be very happy with that. Next up, I'm gonna tackle my hair on my upper lip and my chin. You've seen me use this before. I highly recommend it. Again, it was just from Amazon and I think I got it for less than $20. You just turn it on. And just like that, it gets rid of all your hair. I use this quite frequently. It helps with the smooth application of your makeup. Just like that, I'm good to go. Then all you do is you can untwist this, empty it out if there's any little tiny hairs in there. I just have this little bottle of isopropyl alcohol and I just give it a quick spray to sanitize it, and it's good to go for next time. All right, next up, we're tackling the underarms. I've shown my waxing in quite a few other videos. I've been waxing for many, many years. I'll take my beauty on a budget video here where I talk about the wax that I buy. So this kit was just from Amazon. I bought it during COVID. It comes with little packets of beads that you just add, heat up, and you're good to go. I'm gonna turn this on, and when it's warm, we're gonna tackle these underarm hairs. Now with the wax, you always wanna do a test before you dive right in, or you will burn your skin. I like to do a test kind of on my inner wrist here, but if you've been waxing for a long time, you kind of know the consistency that you need. If it's too runny, you know it's too hot, and if it's too thick and gloopy, you know that it's not warm enough. I think the wax is a little bit too hot. You can see it's quite runny, so I just turned it off and I'm gonna wait for it to cool down. It cools really quickly. I'm gonna keep monitoring it until I know it's ready. Now people always message me and say, how can you wax because you have to let the hair grow out? And 100% you do. but it's winter. The only time that I'm wearing tank tops or sports bras or dress like this is if I'm at the gym. So I just make sure that those days leading up to waxing my underarms, I'm just not showing everyone. And even if people see, like, who cares? I think it's good to go now. So I'm gonna put a bit on my stick, twirl it around. Give it a little bit of a blow, and then we're good to go. So yes, I will show you my other underarm and what it looks like with my hair grown out. And you can barely tell because I've been doing this for so long, so consistently, that my hair barely stopped growing. So sure, you can see a little bit of darkness because I have black hair, shocking. But like, it's nothing crazy. It's also how I have such clean underarms. So if you are brown or black, you tend to have darker underarms. I find that occurs from using non-natural deodorant and also shaving. So once I stopped shaving, I noticed a huge improvement in the tone of my underarms. There you go, looking clear, didn't hurt, got all the hairs. All right, that brings me to my hair. I have been loving using the L'Oreal Casting Natural Gloss. My hair looks so good after I use this, I swear. I use the color Black Ganache. Still makes my hair look natural, but it's got gray coverage, which I love. 90% natural in origin with no ammonia, and it's enriched with honey, so it's great for gray coverage. I am turning 38 and I have quite a few grays, and this has been working amazing. Now, the thing with having black hair and dyeing your hair black is it's a problem when you have a sleek all white bathroom, which I do. So first thing I'm gonna do is get rid of all of my white towels, white mats, and lay out all of my old rags and towels that I have so that I don't mess up my floor or any of my nice towels. You guys are probably like, girl, just go to the salon and get it done. Listen, like I said, I don't have a lot of time and it's expensive, especially when I'm trying to cover my grays that are growing in so quickly. I just feel like I don't have the time to go and do that. Now you're gonna wanna read the instructions very thoroughly, which I have many times. You always wanna do a test. Like I said, the last thing you wanna do is go to the salon and grab a box dye 2 days before your vacation and completely screw up the color of your hair. Okay, so I'm gonna apply this to damp hair, which is different than other box dyes, I think. I'm going to take out my tight bun, spray my hair down with just some water, and then start sectioning it off. Okay, so taking this down. Now you should be applying any box dye to relatively clean hair. I barely put any products in my hair as it is, so my hair's clean, she says, as she has like wax in her hair. So I'm just gonna start going in, getting it nice and damp. Ooh, I have a lot of hair. Push this out. I have low porosity hair, so my hair was very resistant to that spray. I'm gonna throw those gloves on. Hard with my hands. Ooh. Starting at the top. Trying not to splash in my white bathroom. So now I've got it all. Careful with these clips, they've got dye on them. I'm just gonna throw them in my sink. All right, I'm gonna turn my head upside down and start massaging it all in and then applying the rest of the dye. Okay, 20 minutes. Going to start making some lists of things that I want to pack. I'm very excited to be going somewhere, just a little bit somewhere warmer than here. I'm in Canada, there's snow on the ground, it's cold. So going down south for a little bit of sunshine, I feel like it'll be really nice. I think my kids will enjoy it a lot. I'm gonna wait another 18 minutes and then I'm gonna rinse this out and we'll be back for the final results. Whew, I love the smell of the hair mask that they give you, the honey smell. It's so good. Okay, I'm gonna blow dry and style and we will see the final results for the hair. All right, here is my hair dry. I didn't smooth it out or anything like that. It's just completely blow dried upside down, complete mess because I ran out of time to blow dry. But you can see the color, you can see that for someone that has curly hair, it's relatively smooth. So this is without styling, this is without any oil in it. Like, it's amazing. The color will last me several weeks. My grays are all gone, and I just feel like I bought that box for $11. And overall, the whole process took me less than an hour, so completely worth it for me. All right, now if you've seen some of my other videos, you know that I am a commercial model and I don't get my nails done because when you go to shoots, they want to have, you know, nude natural nails. But I'm going on vacation and I would like to have my nails done. Now, normally I use press-ons or I have my own shellac, UV light, everything like that, but I think I'm just gonna go enjoy, pamper myself, and get some powder dip on my fingernails because I need to get a pedicure because I will be wearing sandals and these feet have not seen any sun for like 4 months. So getting a pedicure, and while I'm getting the pedicure done, I might as well get my nails done. So let's go get our nails done. All right, so I went to the nail salon that's a couple minutes away from my house, and it's crazy. It's normally packed, but I think because it's the end of January, they were really slow. So they took me right in. I didn't even have an appointment. And I just asked for like a nude shellac on my hand, which I love. Nice and short, a little round, and then just like a pinky. So nice. And then on my feet, I got a slightly brighter pink, and I don't usually get shellac on my feet because for some reason the nail polish on my feet just lasts forever. So yes, very excited to get a little pampering, get my cuticles shaped, get my nails shaped. I just feel so much better. And the last thing I want to mention that I do on a regular basis is do my own lash lifts. So I just did my lash lift a few weeks ago during a Vlogmas. So I'll tag my video here where I did a tutorial on the lash lift kit that I use and how I kind of do it myself. I love it. I think it's such a great thing to do before vacation because then you kind of wake up looking beautiful. If you're going swimming or you're hanging out by the pool, you don't need to be wearing fake lashes or be wearing a mascara. I just love the way that the lash lift really opens up my eyes and makes me look awake. So highly recommend you check out that video if you're interested on how I do my lash lifts myself. And there we have it. Everything that I do to glow up before vacation: teeth whitening, waxing, facial hair removal. Look how beautiful my hair is, the nails. I'm ready to go. We actually leave early tomorrow morning, so hoping that everything goes really smoothly. Just excited to get away and relax a little bit with my family. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any questions about the products I used or anything I did, please be sure to drop them down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to follow along for more content. I really appreciate you being here. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and bye for now.